Hard. That's a hype.
I'm as nervous as Ian giving White Boy a haircut.
You're gonna avoid her voice.
You got that in the video.
Like if I'm playing with a time of 54
Hashtag Birdman.
She's pushing it this time.
You can get comfortable real fast. You don't ever see no insight doing that.
Fuku said,
If I had tires, it would be.
helping out with nothing no more.
Tight.
Working your suspension for you to do nothing. That's first gear the whole way. What's up? Y'all want none?
Oh.
She was in eco mode though, so it's
No, she went. No, that was performance.
She's definitely in
That
sport.
was wide open throttle the whole time.
Huh? No brake.
You guys didn't know if it was the electric motor or the gas motor. That's all.
It's tough to discern sometimes.
It is, but it's
Unless you're